In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and import the image you want to stretch by going to the File option at the top left corner of your screen and selecting your image from your computer. Once your image is placed on the canvas, make sure its layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right-hand side. Next, go to the top menu and click on Edit, then choose Free Transform. You can also use the shortcut key for faster access in future. Once Free Transform is activated, you will see a bounding box appear around your image along with several options at the top of your screen. If you try to resize the image at this point, it will scale proportionally, meaning it will maintain its original aspect ratio. To actually stretch the image, you need to unlock the aspect ratio. At the top of your screen, you will see a small link icon that keeps the width and height values connected. Click on this icon once to unlink it. Now the proportions are unlocked and you can stretch the image freely. You can either manually drag the edges of the image to stretch it in any direction, or you can enter specific percentage values for width or height in the top bar to get precise results. This allows you to adjust the image exactly the way you want depending on your design needs. Once you are satisfied with the stretch, click the check mark at the top of your screen to apply the transformation. After that, you can continue editing your project or export the image as needed. This method gives you full control over how your image is resized and stretched on the canvas, and this is how you can stretch an image in Photopea.